Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing introduction to trigonometry exercise L1.4. So today's section I am going to solve the fifth problem. So what is that? Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Using LHS we want to prove RHS. So what is our LHS? See here, cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. So it is our LHS. Using this equation we want to prove RHS. RHS is cosec A plus cot A. So let me solve here on LHS. LHS is equal to, what is our LHS? Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Now NR and DR, denominator dividing by sin A. So it will become cos A divided by sin A minus sin A divided by sin A plus 1 divided by sin A, and this whole divided by cos A divided by sin A plus sin A divided by sin A minus 1 divided by sin A, right? So now see here, cos by sin we can write cot. So write down cot A. Cos divided by sin is cot, minus sin cancel. So here 1 and plus 1 by sin is cosec A, and this divided by, here also cos by sin is cot. So cot A plus sin cancel. So here 1 and minus 1 by sin we can write cosec A. So now rewrite this equation. So I will rewrite that one, cot A as it is, and here I will write plus cosec A and minus 1 as it is. So this divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A as it is. So now observe here question, they said here use the identity cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So we will use here. So what they given, cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So now this cot comes this side, this become a minus, right? So here cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So here 1 is equal to cosec square A minus cot square A. So instead of this 1 we can write this one, cosec square A minus cot square A. So you will use here. So next step become, so write down here cot A as it is plus cosec A as it is minus in a bracket cosec square A minus cot square A. So this divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A as it is. So now see here. So see here, cosec square A minus cot square A. So it is in the form of A square minus B square. So and we know that this exponent form, what is that exponent form? A minus B, A plus B. So now here cosec square A minus cot square A, this exponent form is cosec A minus cot A, cosec A plus cot A, right? So then what will be the next step? So write down here cot A plus cosec A minus in a bracket. So instead of this cosec square A cot square A, we can write cosec A plus cot A and cosec A minus cot A, bracket complete, and this divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A as it is. Now observe here, here is a cot A plus cosec A and here is also cot A plus cosec A. So in these two terms cosec A plus cot A is a common, so take outside. Cosec A plus cot A and write down in a bracket remaining term. So here cot A plus cosec A comes outside, means here remaining 1 and this minus as it is in a bracket cosec A minus cot A, bracket complete. So then this divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A as it is. So now see here, this minus multiplication this two term. So when we minus multiplication for this two term, minus cot A become a plus cot A and plus cosec A become a minus cosec A. So write down cosec A plus cot A as it is in a bracket 1 minus cosec A. When we multiplication this minus to cosec, this become a minus cosec and minus into minus plus cot A. So this divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A as it is. So now observe here, in a NR 1 minus cosec A plus cot A and DR also 1 minus cosec A cot A. So these two terms are same, then these two get cancelled. So remaining terms cosec A plus cot A, it is our RHS. So see here, our RHS is cosec A plus cot A and here also we got cosec A cot A, hence proved. Well students, the next problem 6th one, what they given here, under root 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. So here using LHS we want to prove RHS. So what is our LHS? See here, under root 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. So using this LHS we want to prove RHS, that is sec A plus tan A, right? Let me solve here. First write down LHS. LHS is equal to under root 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin. Now here we want to make a rationalize. So what is rationalize? Let me solve here. Under root 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. Multiplication and dividing by 1 plus sin A. See here in a denominator we have 1 minus sin A. This opposite symbol is a 1 plus sin A. Multiplication and dividing by 1 plus sin A. So this is called a rationalize. So now the next step is this is equal to, so see here is a 1 plus sin A and here is also 1 plus sin. These two are a multiplication. So we got 1 plus sin A whole square. So for example here A into A is equal to A square. So like that only here 1 plus sin A plus into 1 plus sin A. We got 1 plus sin A whole square. So here in under root 1 plus sin A whole square and this divided by 1 minus sin A 1 plus sin A. We can write 1 square minus sin square A because we know that identity A square minus B square is equal to A minus B A plus B. In denominator we got 1 square minus sin square A. See here A minus B A plus B. 1 minus sin A 1 plus sin A become a 1 square minus sin square A. So now in the next step take roots separately. So it will become root 1 plus sin A whole square, this divided by root 1 square is a 1 minus sin square A. So now here square and a root get cancelled. So next step become here. Now we got 1 plus sin A and this divided by under root 1 minus sin square. We can write cos square A. 1 minus sin square A we can write cos square A because we have identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So this sin comes this side, this become a minus. So here we got cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So here 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. So we will use here. See here is a 1 minus sin square A. So instead of 1 minus sin square A we can use cos square A. Is it clear? So now next step. So here square and a root get cancelled. So next step what will remaining 1 plus sin A divided by cos A, right? So now here 1 divided by cos A plus sin A divided by cos A. So here 1 divided by this cos A and the sin divided by cos A. This cos comes in this 1 and sin also. So next 1 by cos A we can write sec A, and plus as it is 1 sin divided by cos we can write tan A. So it is our RHS. So see here, sec A plus tan A, and here also we got sec A plus tan A, hence proved.